I'm going to tow this Infiniti G20 and this BMW with a very powerful e-bike. Well, I got a slight problem. I need to move a car out of my driveway, which would be the Beamer. And I need to get this car, which you probably can't see right there, I need to get that car in the driveway too. And it's just me. So what am I supposed to do? Maybe I need to tow it. Question is, what am I going to tow it with? Well, the motorcycle, that's going to need some work. That doesn't run. Yes, I could pull it with my Silverado, but that's easy. We need a challenge. I got the Pilot. Well, I got another motorcycle. I'm going to do something that you've never seen before. Right. Got my tow strap. Need to hook it up to the Beamer. Right there. But I also need to pull in the G20, because I got to do a clutch on the G20. What's that going to hook up to? Let's see. Check this out. I think it's going to work.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey,
that's right, fellas and ladies. We're gonna tow this BMW with my electric e-bike. I mean, it says Jetson in it. Jet. Strong enough like a jet. Okay, I know that was pretty corny, but let's see if it works.
give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, no, this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose, if it's some loose shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip, you choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh,
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues.
It would help if I took the e-brake off. Let's try this again. Crazy me. I was only pulling it from one side of the BMW. I gotta double this stuff on up. Okay, so we got it tied to both corners of the rear. So essentially this should work, hopefully. Just so you don't think this is camera magic, watch. There's nobody pushing this BMW, I promise you. Let me walk around. Nobody. Right? Yeah, keep filming. Watch. Line up real quick. Gotta lean in. I got a flat tire. Actually, go look. I think I got a flat tire. Ain't that something? Oh, it's not gonna work, of course. I got a flat tire. Let's go ahead and do this one. I think we could tow this one. Think so? Yeah. Okay, go ahead, Caden. If you want to pull it, I think you can do it. I think we're gonna need a tow rig. Now it's time to tow the G20. Yeah. Oh shit! Check this out, it's working! And I'm not pushing. Look, 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 look. Oh yeah. Did you see that?
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign.